Alright, are you ready? Let's see what Mimi has for us this time. Oh my goodness. I spy with my eagle eye.
Look.
What do you see? What? What is it?
Bird.
Birds. The birds in their neighborhood love this tree. It says they have to take turns to sit in the branches.
Mommy saw a bird.
We saw a bird?
Yeah.
What bird was it? Do you remember?
Mommy left she bird up a tree.
Nest? Oh yeah, I saw a nest in a tree. Where was that?
Report.
At the airport. That's right, we did. Do you remember the bird we saw in the sky the other day?
Huh?
Mommy said, look up, look up. What bird was that?
Huh?
Do you remember when we were at the gardens? It was a hawk. Remember?
So Mommy saw me.
Oh, there was a hawk. Yeah. Mimi said, did you see any birds today? Yeah? Are there birds that live in our yard?
Yeah.
What color are the birds that we see? What
Blue.
color? Blue?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Right.
You're looking at the fish. You're silly. Okay, well let's end this one.
A big fish.
You want to feed the fish? Okay.
Funny.
What?
Tiny bit.
A tiny bit? Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe couldn't see that whole time. Okay, we stop this one.